It is best to replace your fuel pump with the fuel tank drained. This reduces the amount of possible spillage of the fuel and fuel vapors. When replacing it, work in a very well ventilated area. Working outdoors is a good choice. Do not use incandescent work lights or power tools, and do not smoke. Most importantly, you should have safety glasses on and think of chemical resistant gloves. But number one, have a fully charged and properly rated fire extinguisher on hand and know how to use it. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Remove the fuel cap and then slide an anti-static siphon hose down the fuel filter neck. Siphon the fuel out, and then you can put it back into the tank when you are done this job. The fuel pump is located in the right side of the fuel tank. With the rear seats removed, you will see the access panel to the fuel pump on the right-hand side, red arrow. The carpet on our project car was going to interfere with removing the access panel, yellow arrow, so I cut it back to give myself more room to work. If you need help with removing the rear seats, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws, red arrows, holding it in place, and gently pry the panel up. There is a small sticky gasket between the panel and the body of the car to help reduce noise and vibration, so do not clean that off. With the access panel off, you can see the locating cover and ring seal on the pump. There are 2 fuel lines, one supply line, green, and the return line, red arrow, along with an electrical harness connector, yellow arrow. Remove the electrical connector, yellow arrow. Remove the fuel supply line, green arrow, and the return line, yellow arrow. The unit needs to sit in the tank in a specific orientation. Make sure you note the witness arrows on the unit, yellow and green arrows, and make sure the new unit sits in the same manner. Use a large claw-type wrench, red arrow, and remove the sealing ring. It is on tight, and if you try and unscrew it by tapping the plastic notches with a flathead screwdriver, you will just shear off the notches. Grasp the pump, yellow arrow, and remove it from the tank. Inspect the seal, green arrow, and replace if necessary. Take care not to bend the fuel gauge sending unit arm, yellow arrow, when removing or reinstalling the unit. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.